take flight and scurry into the shadows for an adventure that spans from the highest skies to the hidden corners of the earth. This journey unveils the daring lives of two incredible animal families, the mysterious lizards that master the land with camouflage and lightning speed, and the majestic birds that rule the skies with effortless grace and keen eyesight. We'll track the secretive path of a gecko as it scales a sheer wall and then look up to witness the breathtaking dive of an eagle. Eagles are large, strong birds that hunt other animals for food. They have sharp talons, hooked beaks, and excellent eyesight, perfect for catching prey. Eagles can see up to 8 times farther than humans. They can spot a rabbit or fish from more than a mile away. Shoebills are expert hunters. They stand perfectly still for long periods, then strike lightning fast to grab fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles. Shoebills prefer being alone, except during breeding season. They're known for their calm, serious appearance. Shoebills are considered vulnerable due to habitat loss and disturbance from humans. Leopard geckos get their name from their spotted, leopard-like pattern. They come in a variety of colors and patterns due to selective breeding. Leopard geckos are nocturnal, meaning they are most active at night when they hunt for insects. These geckos can make chirping or barking sounds, especially when they feel threatened or during mating. Spoonbills get their name from their long, flat, spoon-shaped bills, which help them scoop up food from shallow water. Spoonbills are highly social and often feed, rest, and nest in large colonies, sometimes even mixing with herons and storks. Secretary birds can walk up to 20 miles, 30 kilometers, a day searching for food across the African savanna. The secretary bird is the national emblem of Sudan and appears on South Africa's coat of arms, representing strength and protection. The secretary bird looks like a mix between an eagle and a crane, with long legs, a hooked beak, and elegant black crest feathers behind its head that look like quill pens. Toucans are mostly frugivores, fruit eaters, but they also eat insects, small reptiles, eggs, and occasionally nestlings of other birds. Toucans are social and often live in small flocks. They use their bills to playfully interact with each other. Toucans are famous for their large, colorful bills, which can be almost as long as their bodies. Platypus appears on the Australian 20-cent coin and is a national symbol of uniqueness and wonder. Platypuses live only in Australia and Tasmania, making them one of the country's most special native animals. Platypuses spend lots of time in rivers, lakes, and streams. It's so unique that when scientists first saw it, they thought it was a fake animal. Platypus appears on the Australian 20-cent coin and is a national symbol of uniqueness and wonder. Hamsters vary from 5 centimeters, dwarf hamsters, to 18 centimeters, Syrian hamsters, long. Hamsters originally lived in deserts and dry grasslands of Asia and the Middle East. Most hamster species prefer to live alone, especially Syrian hamsters. Hamsters love to explore tunnels and new spaces, especially at night. Ostriches are the largest living birds on Earth. Adults can grow up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters, tall. Ostrich eggs are the largest of any bird, weighing around 1.5 kilograms, 3 pounds. That's about the size of 24 chicken eggs. Ostriches can survive without water for days. They get most of their moisture from the plants and seeds they eat. Ostriches often live in groups called herds or flocks, which helps them watch out for predators. Flamingos are pink because of the carotenoids, natural pigments, in the algae, shrimp, and crustaceans they eat. Without this food, they'd be white or pale gray. Flamingos often stand on one leg. Scientists think it helps them save body heat or rest their muscles. Flamingo parents are very caring. Both male and female take turns incubating the egg and feeding the chick. Owls can see in almost complete darkness. Their large eyes gather more light than human eyes. Owls live all around the world, except Antarctica. They can be found in forests, deserts, mountains, farms, and even cities. Owls' feathers are designed for camouflage, blending in with trees or snow. Their large eyes gather more light than human eyes. Owls live all around the world, except Antarctica. Black swans are native to Australia and are commonly found in lakes, rivers, and wetlands across the country. Black swans build large floating nests from reeds and plants, usually near shallow water. Black swans are herbivores. They eat mostly aquatic plants, algae, and weeds. They often fly in V-shaped formations or long lines, just like geese. Ibises are easy to recognize by their long, downward curved beak, which they use to probe mud and shallow water for food. Ibises belong to the same bird family as spoonbills. Both are wading birds with long legs and specialized bills. Many ibis species are migratory, flying long distances between breeding and feeding areas. Ibises often feed and nest in large colonies, sometimes alongside herons and egrets. Iguanas are large lizards that live mostly in Central and South America, the Caribbean, and parts of Mexico. Iguanas are excellent climbers. They spend much of their time high up in trees. Iguanas have a third eye on the top of their head called a parietal eye, which senses light and movement to detect predators. Iguanas are cold-blooded, so they need sunlight or warm spots to regulate their body temperature. Take flight and scurry into the shadows for an adventure that spans from the highest skies to the hidden corners of the earth.